It's here. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we have another Otaku unboxing and we're gonna be unboxing some Yuri on Ice Nendroids. I dressed for the occasion. I'm so excited. I cannot contain my excitement. So without further ado, here is the package. I have been waiting all day to open this. So yes, I'm very excited. I got these off of eBay, so if they're fake, I'm gonna cry. My babies! My babies! I'm really glad that the packaging is nice. Interesting way of packaging things. 1, 2, and then I'm gonna cry! Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. I need to open. Okay, so okay, there we go. There's one. Number 2. Number 3. And number 4. I need to take them out so that you guys can get a good look at them because I'm freaking out. I'm sorry. I'm such a freaking weeb. I need a moment. I think I'm actually gonna cry. I'll be right back. OMG, they're so cute! I'm so freaking happy I got these. I was able to purchase them off eBay brand new and I'm happy to say that they are legit and I might have shed a tear. I love this anime so much. My mom and I actually watched this anime together, so I know she's gonna be super jealous and she's gonna enjoy looking at my little Nendroids of them. I'm eventually gonna have a Yuri on Ice dedicated shelf, but anyways, let's not get into that. These are so freaking cute and I'm just so happy. I love them so much. Alright guys, well that was a quick little journey. I'm sweating, I'm so excited. I definitely shed a tear. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If Yuri on Ice Season 2 ever comes out, expect me to be gone until the entire thing's aired because I will just be weeping the entire time. So that's all for this video. I love you guys a lot and I will see you in the next one. Bye!